Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Google and confirming location services are enabled on your device. This lets Google read and update your location. Once signed in, open the specific Google product you want to change, search, maps, or account settings, because each stores location differently. Make sure to clear cached location or browser history if previous values persist. This prevents old coordinates from reappearing. Now, choose the device type. Desktop gives full controls, while mobile combines app and device permissions. Next, change the place where Google thinks you are inside each service. In Search, open Settings and adjust the region or click the location pin in Results to override detection. In Maps, set or move your home/work addresses, drop a pin and choose Save, or adjust location history and activity controls so future results reflect the new spot. For account-level changes, edit personal info addresses. This affects ads and suggested content. Make sure to save changes and wait a few moments for Google systems to update. Finally, confirm the update by running a location-based search or opening Maps to see current coordinates, because verification ensures the change took effect. If results still show the old location, toggle device location permissions, clear the browser or app cache, and restart the app or device. This often forces a refresh. If problems persist, test in incognito or with a different account to determine whether it's an account-level or device-level issue. Then repeat the appropriate steps to permanently resolve the mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.